Hi, this is Jackie. So I am going to go over my assignment and kind of just tell you a little bit about what it was that we had to do. So this is Module 5, and one of the first things I did was go to Weebly and set up a free account, and picked my layout. This is the one that I chose, and I started filling in some things here. After I did that, I created each of these tabs according to what it was we were supposed to have: biography, word assignments, Excel, PowerPoint, the web quest assignments are other examples, and then the screencast video, which I'm doing now, and I will embed that into that section there. We had to use all of these items over here on the left-hand side, and slide them over, or I should say drag them over and drop them according to what it was that we needed. So I definitely used title a lot. I used the text a lot. We used our images when we had to put the images in for the Excel assignments, the PowerPoint assignments. We did slideshow. Let's see. I tried doing a couple other items that were suggested according to some of the YouTube videos that I looked up, and those ones didn't work very well. So I pretty much stuck to all of those that I already mentioned. So each time we wanted to do something, I had to bring it over and drag it over and edit it that way. So that's just my basic home page. And then I had to click on each of these items and edit them accordingly. My internet's working a little slow, so. Okay, and then I added different photos that kind of went along with what it is I'm interested in teaching, which is computer technology. And so yeah, I changed all of those. The word assignment seemed to be the one that I had the most trouble with. And I'm trying to remember, I watched quite a few different videos because it seemed like some of the things weren't working. I believe I did a script document. I may have done just a, let's see. I may have done just a regular, I'm trying to find it. I may have done just a regular document, but I'm not actually seeing that now. Oh, regular file. Yeah, but that wasn't seeming to work either. It would require you to download it. So I'm not quite sure if it's just a problem that they're having on their website, because I tried to help a friend do the exact same thing that I did, and it wasn't working with hers. So I'm not quite sure. Not quite sure what was going on with that. So moving on over to the Excel assignments. When we did the Excel assignments, I had to take the snippet tool, which we used, I believe it was in our Module 2 assignment, and basically just took a little screenshot of each of the items that are here that were in our were in our Excel assignment. So in the PowerPoint assignments, that one I had to go in and I had to save it as a PDF. So it just saved all of the individual images, and then I stuck it on a slideshow, which you see here. With the web quest, this one was actually kind of nice because everything was already all done, or I should say formatted for you. So I have my link there. Everything was already done here on the left-hand side. So we already had all of these tabs, which was really nice and super helpful. So I just had to go in and do the introduction, do the tasks, the process, evaluation, conclusion. So I basically just had to go in and fill in each of these items here, and then I had to publish it. This was, of course, after I set up an account. And then for the last one, or I should say the second to the last one, we have our other examples. With this one, I know that all we had to do was describe what it was we did for the assignment, but I wanted to challenge myself a little bit to see if I could get all of the information on here. So I just went into the grades portion of the classroom on Blackboard and copied and pasted. And then I wanted to see if I was able to use the YouTube option over here and drag it over. And so I did that 4 times, and it worked. It was actually really easy, a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. So I was actually able to pull that entire assignment instead of just describing it, and I was able to just put it all in here. So that was our other assignments for the other examples, and I believe it was classroom technologies. And then the last one is going to be exactly what I'm doing here right now. I'm pretty familiar with this. I've already done this Screencast-O-Matic with a different class this semester. It's pretty fun. As you can tell, I haven't edited this one at all. This is the format that was already here, and so I'll go in and I'll delete the things that I don't want, and then I will embed the video here after I post it to YouTube. So this assignment was definitely a bit more challenging, definitely took a bit more time, but it was a lot of fun. And so, yeah, that is everything.